officers. Chief of the Sky is here.
Well, Chief, you're just in time for roll call.
Got any aerial intel for us today?
Winds out of the west, clear skies, snack truck parked 2 blocks down.
Come on in. We'll get you squared away.
You look confused. Good, I'm in charge now.
Laughing on duty?
I like you.
Oh, is that so?
Keeps the feathers smooth.
All right, partner, we'll try to keep laughing then.
Looks like a chick too high.
Where's my coffee?
You're getting bossier every day, Cap.
Here you go, detective.
Hot.
Authority's right here. All right, what's on your mind, little guy?
I need a window seat for patrol, preferably passenger side, good breeze access.
A window seat, huh? You planning on backing up traffic stops now?
An excellent observation. Also, I look heroic in the wind.
Not wrong. Chan, our feathered deputy, wants to ride along with a view. We'll see what we can do. Hang tight.
See that line right there? That's where you put me. Full-time parrot consultant. Benefits optional. And under salary, just right, paid in crackers.
Paid in crackers, huh?
Premium ones, with seeds.
You realize HR is going to lose their minds.
They'll thank me once morale skyrockets.
Break today.
Yeah, look at him eyeing the radio.
Don't let him. Oh, there he goes.
Whoa, what the?
Is that going out on the channel?
Okay, easy, buddy.
Let me have that.
Control, disregard last transmission, false alarm.
Not sure how to code a parrot prank.
We'll figure.
Relax. Training.
Did he just say that? He did. That's wild.
Sounds calmer than half the rookies we get.
You're
Natural.
Natural. See? Even backs himself up.
Discipline. Focus. Bring donuts.
Oh, here we go again.
You trained him too well, Sarge.
That bird's got priorities.
Focus. Bring donuts.
Copy that, boss.
About the good stuff, huh?
Fresh from the corner shop. Figured we earned it.
Glazed and sprinkles. Approved.
He signed off. We're good to eat.
I'm starting with chocolate.
Quality control, top notch.
Sprinkle stuck to your beak, partner.
Evidence. I'll eat it later.
He's got that look again.
Go on, buddy. Do your thing.
License and crackers.
Oh no, he actually wrote one. That's a first.
Pay to fine. Immediate payment is accepted in snacks.
You are under arrest for boring vibes.
What? Me?
Evidence is overwhelming.
Busted.
Guess I'm gonna parrot jail, huh?
No bail for dullness.
I'll try to be exciting.
Stay lively, or you're next.
I ask questions now.
Told you he'd take the lead.
Where were you when the alarms went off?
Take your time, he's patient.
Honesty makes the cage door bigger.
What about you last night?
He came out swinging, huh?
That's his opener for everyone. You should hear him with
waiting.
delivery drivers.
I'm waiting.
Told you won't let it go.
We were at roll call, Featherbrain. Remember? You were there.
Alibi checked.
He was with snacks. Case closed.
That's it? All wrapped up?
You sure about your statement, detective?
Snacks don't lie. Well, that's the fastest interrogation we've had all week.
You cracking yourself up, partner? Need backup? Ha! Always. All clear.
Copy that, Captain Feathers.
Mandatory snack break!
There it is again. You heard the boss.
I guess we can't argue with that kind of authority. Who wants a granola bar? I got chocolate or almond.
Stick the almond one here. Thanks.
Snack break!
Snack break.
You got it, Captain.
Step away. Slowly.
Oh boy, he means it.
Look at him guarding that thing.
Easy, partner. It's just a donut.
Just a donut.
Precious evidence.
Evidence, huh? You on pastry duty now?
Mine.
He's not letting up.
Morning, ladies.
Oh, no.
Extra authority.
Here we go.
Good morning, doctor. What can we help you with?
Just checking on Officer Tran's stitches. Figured I'd make it official.
Stethoscope and everything.
Hush, Feathers.
Better behave, partner.
Looks like you have the station well in hand.
We try.
Sign right here.
Sure thing. Still the prettiest.
Easy there, Doc. He's just looking.
I'm not moving a muscle.
Oh, that's good.
You got me. Fair assessment.
He's never wrong.
No badge, Show respect.
Uh-oh, I left mine at the hospital.
He means business, Doc.
Show the shiny.
All I've got is this visitor tag, see?
Acceptable.
He just knighted you.
Badge equals respect.
I run this place.
Good over there?
All good.
He's doing his rounds.
Okay, continue. Did you train him for that? He trains us.
You're gonna wind up running the morning briefing.
Copy that. Good bird.
All right, little guy, brace yourself.
Ta-da! Look familiar? It's your birthday twin, Featherball.
He just stopped.
You okay there, buddy?
That's me, but cake. Yep, chocolate cake, green frosting, little wax candle, all you.
I have been rendered pastry.
That's the...
Afternoon. You two settling in okay?
We're good, just showing him around.
Why does he look like me?
You see that, huh?
It's our evidence room mascot. I picked up on a smuggling case last month.
Thought he'd like
He
some
blinks the
company.
same.
That's weird.
Stop! This is bird abuse!
Whoa, loud and clear.
Nobody's hurting you, buddy. You're just getting your claws trimmed.
Pretty dramatic for a manicure.
You're safe here, Kiko, promise.
Rude humans. He's got attitude. I like him.
All right, let's get a slice along!
Mine. No touch.
Okay, relax.
Just grabbing it. Hey, wings up.
All right, I surrender.
Come on, buddy, just one slice for the birthday girl.
One crumb, maybe.
Unbelievable. I saw that. How about we swap? We got... Hey! That's my cousin!
Oh, wow. You know him, huh?
We picked this one up with recovered property from a burglary. Figured we'd run the tags.
They look almost identical. That's wild.
Easy, buddy. We'll sort it out.
Blades clean on one side, residue here along the edge.
Easy, Rocky.
It's shiny and suspicious. Going back in the bag. Case closed. For now.
Look at him, he's gearing up for...
Oh my gosh.
That never gets old.
Do a little show off.
Come on, you know you want it. It's just a little piece.
He's gonna hold out. Look at that face. Stubborn bird.
Okay, maybe
There
one
we
bite.
go. Knew it. He can't resist a biscuit.
Crumbs all over your glove. Sorry.
Worth it for that little head bob. All right, buddy. Just a little bite.
He earned it.
Look at him leaning in. There you go, Cap.
He just froze.
Cap? You good little guy?
He looks like he's buffering.
Frosting overload. Delightful.
Oh my gosh. Back online.
More, please.
He lived a good life.
Yeah, he sure did.
Everyone's the back for Paris, my kid. They thought the sucker slows.
I regret nothing.
Did you hear that attitude?
He's proud of himself. Look at those crumbs all over.
I'll grab another cracker for him. Clearly, he's not sorry.
Not one bit.
Look at him go. You sure you don't want a hand, little guy?
I've got this. Captain's seat occupied.
Ha! That chair's bigger than you.
Need a case, boss?
Looks like we have a new captain. Promote me, I'll take peanuts.
Oh, you're killing me.
Hot coffee, hazard pay.
As Chief of the Sky, I hereby call this meeting to order. Everyone ready?
We are, Chief.
Snacks?
Donuts are in the break room, sir.
Outstanding. Proceed with valor, officers.
You ready, buddy?
Ready.
Come on then, star of the show.
Attention, world. I have reached a decision. After long reflection, many crackers, and one heroic flight over the evidence locker, I forgive all humans.
All
Every
of us.
single feather plucker, even you, Jenkins, who spilled the seed.
You all ready for this?
Oh, wow. Did he just... That's a salute.
Sharp as a tack, huh?
Officer on duty, ma'am.
That is the most disciplined bird I've ever
You've
seen.
been practicing in front of the mirror again?
Mirror, window, coffee
Wherever
pot.
discipline is needed.
All right, let's return the favor.
Respect, Officer Parrot.
All right, ready for your close-up.
Stay safe. Stay funny.
I love
See that? Wise words.
You giving us orders now, Captain?
Just good advice.
We'll take it.
Morning, partner.
You bring your sidekick again.
He insists on the ride.
I heard that.
Sorry, sir.
Want a donut, Feathers? Chocolate with sprinkles.
Tempting, but I have a figure to maintain.
That's discipline.
Whispered like a true guardian.